Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best USB condenser microphone for computer. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best product money can buy, well, the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Lafon Professional Microphone Condenser. Brand name, Lafon. Simply plug it into any available USB port. Compatible with Windows and Mac, you can create your own audio by simply selecting it as input in your computer settings. No need software to install. Perfect for vocals, great for Skype, recordings for YouTube, Google Voice Search, Messenger, and games, work and PC. Folding tripod stand and windscreen shield, has ultra compact design for maximum portability. You can fix the microphone on the desk with a mini flexible head which is 270-degree rotatable. Number 4. Xing USB Microphone. Brand name, Xing. Equipped with 16mm electret condenser transducer and unique noise reduction technology, provides high-fidelity sound, powerful bass response, and minimize background noise at the same time. This USB microphone is designed for laptop, PC, and macOS or Windows. No need to use an additional sound card or phantom power. Number 3. Microphone with stand for Mac. Brand name, HDSNH Unidirectional Microphone Pattern. Minimize the surrounding noise. Echo function, built-in reverb chip. Adjust the reverb knob to add perfect reverb effect. With professional amplifier chip, you can amplify the output volume of the microphone up to 25 times. With a stand, firmly hold the microphone. With a clip, easy to clip on any instrument. Large condenser microphone element for warm, rich recordings. Overload protection switch, minimize distortion from loud sound sources. Bass reduction switch reduces room noise. Bright color, fashionable, and refresh your life. Ideal for radio broadcasting studio, voice-over sound studio, recording, etc. Number 2. Fifine Metal USB Condenser Microphone. Brand name, Fifine. Plug-and-play USB microphone that connects to your computer or laptop directly via USB port. Solid, robust design body with stable tripod stand will come in handy whenever you are making voiceovers or live streaming for YouTube. A recording microphone with dedicated gain volume knob itself, for louder output and more sensitive, your voice would be heard crispy and clean when using it in gaming, Skyping, or voice recording. PC microphone powered by USB 5V supply, requires no 48V phantom power supply, easy to set up before voice chat, voiceovers, or streaming podcast. USB microphone with cardioid polar pattern for recording, captures your voice clearly and smoothly when the microphone is pointed towards you. Number 1. Nano USB Microphone Kit. Brand name, Nano. Nano USB Podcast Microphone Kit. USB 2.0 port for plug and play. Professional sound chipset. High sampling rate, 192 kHz 24-bit. Podcast condenser USB microphone. Microphone capsules, dia. 16mm condenser. Eliminate the background noise. Effectively reduce the plosive, wind, interference, saliva spraying. Perfect restoration of vocal and instruments. Podcasting, dubbing, gaming, recording, chatting. Package list: Nano USB mic, shock mount, table stand, pop filter, wind foam, USB-B to USB-A cable.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. And this video helpful to you. Please remember, leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this and future. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below.